Hello everybody at FFDILLON131 with FFDILLON131. We have something to show you guys. Say hi.
As well as you say hi. So hello everybody. Welcome
Hello.
back.
Justin, what surprise do we have today?
We got a special skin today to show off. Just a little.
Putting that 10-8.
Definitely excited because I know you put a lot of time into this, and I helped you with some ideas, but you did a lot of the work on it, just about 95% of it, and so definitely really appreciative, of what you've done to this because it looks really good.
And when the video come out, it'll be like later on. But right before this return, I should got done with it. It took me about 8-9 hours for it to be done.
Yep, and you know what? I'm definitely appreciative of it, man.
You ready to show?
Heck yeah.
On we turn around and show.
Okay.
You want to start the countdown?
Three, two, one. Turn around.
Engine 18, we told you that about the Lotto was coming on. The line ring it off of my trucks in real life. The white is part of his station. They went into a merge. So the white is his Senate station, and the yellow is part of his main station.
Yep.
They were the one that merged together. We were in the talk of it, but didn't say yes to it.
Yep. Definitely looks to be a very beautiful job of what you did to it.
At the window, it's your engine 18 our Lotto. At the front, we got GWFERRP under the windshield, and then engine 18 at the bottom. So, where are you at? So, when in the thing, it let me type in the window. I was going to do a New York style on it,
Yeah.
try to cheap it, but when I tried to load in name, it did not pop up.
Oh, that's okay.
And then we wanted to do something about making the engine special, so we added the eagle in the flag. We're doing it to the tiller, but a different design, and then all the other equipment are then just the American flag on them.
Yep. And trust me, this definitely looks really good.
It's something I'm really looking into. There's one engine I love, not why I did this one first.
Beautiful.
And we already know we are going to get the time at because of the color line wing.
Yep.
And then, and then, and then if you look on the roof, it shows an E18 wing at the top.
You know what I just noticed?
What?
On my screen, it doesn't show the one. It just says E83.
Yeah, E8 wing. What?
Okay. On the top of it, you want it like it's just like E83.
When you get in, it should be a swap between the 8 and the wing.
Oh, okay, okay.
Get in the truck really quick. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah, yeah. It was just the way I was looking at it.
Yeah. So we're only showing that engine off. That's the only engine we did at the moment. This would be the next thing I'm going to work on actually after the returns.
Yep.
I'm going to chart on this equipment.
Yes, sir.
Ten Wussy Road, 4A Structure Fire, Engine 18 we Tar 1 now do. I don't even know where I'm going.
Engine 18-3 is responding.
10-4. Okay. I didn't know where I was going. Show Tar 1 in route. Show Tar 1 on Wyman on scene. That smoke showing. I would go and let him drive engine so he can show you die it on his side. Tar 1 on scene. Dot a garage on fire. Look like body shop on fire. Fully involved. Engine 18 we. You're on stretcher line and chart attack them.
Copy. Engine 18-3 arriving.
For the people that are hearing me say Tar 1, we are making it into a Tar 1. We decide to make it a Tar 1. We were talking about making it a Dewey officer at the same time, but I'd rather have it at a Tar 1 because I think he in the process of making more command vehicles at the same times.
Hey, yes, is EMS stuff coming too?
Yep. We are going to send the ambulance as well. I got plans on. I got Sin's idea. That are not going to be line wing. I'm going to talk to you after.
Okay, cool.
Command to engine.
Go ahead, command.
Do you need any assistance from me?
Affirmative. Gonna need a source of water.
Ooh, 10-4. Tower to Townie. Deepa Tainter to my location.
Copy for a structure fire. Working fire units. Tanker 2's now due.
Yeah, name it so. It don't be Tainter we. We are just throwing stuff at you guys at the moment on this.
Engine 18-3 to command.
Go ahead.
Out of water at this time.
You're about to get water supply and they send it.
Copy. Exiting building until further notice.
You have water supply.
Copy.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Interior command. Fire's out on the inside. Working my way outside. Taking that fire out then. Engine 18 crew to command. Fire's out.
I'm back.
You're back. Did you see that call that just came in?
Yep.
Are you wanting to take that or?
Yeah, we can take it.
Okay, are you just gonna get rid of the tanker real quick?
Where? You don't.
Oops. Engine 18 with 3 responding.
Show tar 1 en route. I really annoying engine.
Engine 18-3 to command.
Go ahead.
Looks like we're gonna have a working fire. Smoke showing.
Copy. Command to engine. I'm going to let you wire 5 once we arrive on scene.
Copy. We can set up a draft as well.
Tell me?
Oops, I missed my turn.
Command to town and show me on scene. I got 1 warehouse structure. I got fire on the Delta side, Shari Delta corner. Show command tar 1 at command. I am on chart here.
Does drafting work?
I don't know. Show tanker we en route.
Copy. I wasn't sure. I thought I seen it in a video, so I thought, I want to try this.
You can try it. See if there anything you could.
Yeah, I was watching a video and I seen somebody doing it. I guess it's not working. That's weird. Oh well.
I'm not worried about traffic at the moment.
Engine 18 is just gonna start an attack line. Side.
This video is really showing you guys the new engine. Just not done with it. And from there. Did your ding crash?
No, did yours?
No, it was showing that you are shut in into the flames.
Oh, that's weird. No, I'm actually just starting in the fire. I tried. I tried the supply line from the rear and to the side of it to the lake, but we're gonna have to work with that because I know I seen in a video a guy do it. So I want to figure eventually out how that works.
Oh yeah.
And I seen him do something, but maybe it's something else.
I know Palmer Pond should be set up.
Yeah. Engine 18-3 command. We got heavy fire on the inside.
10-4. I will start sending an alarm.
Interior copy.
Command to Townie.
County.
Show, upgrade the structure fire to a Sentinel alarm.
Copy. Or working fire. Second alarm.
MT, where at? I never had it.
Interior to command.
Yeah, go ahead.
Appears we do have a gas tank in here.
10-4.
Interior to command. Fire seems to be out. Checking for extension.
10-4. Command to Townie.
Go ahead.
You can cancel a Sentinel alarm units.
Copy. All units on the second alarm. You can cancel.
And Townie show fire under control.
County copies.
I got you all set up with Palm Pine.
How'd you do that?
If you go into your equipment and then at the bottom it will show pole pond and then yeah.
Can you hook up the hard suction to the pond to hook into this?
Pretty sure.
Because there's definitely got to be a way to add water into. Are you wanting to do one more, or it's up to you?
Nah. This video was really showing that engine off and that it.
Oh yeah, definitely. My video is still going right now. I just want to tell everybody,
I'm still
you know,
recording too.
I want to thank FF Schrader for the time that he's definitely put into this because, you know, some people might not be too sure of how this stuff works, but he put a lot of time into it. It might not look, but it definitely goes down to detail, and he did an amazing job on it. So I want to thank him because it's a beautiful rig. And I'm definitely going to help him out with some of these next rigs to come, and I'm definitely excited where we all get with it.
Don't end your video really quick.
No, I'm not.
Talking about here really quick. Remember how I told you I kept getting mad at the lines?
Yeah.
In this corner right here.
Oh, is it still technically messed up?
Walk up to it and look at it. You will see like it's a hair off on the corner. right at the corner.
You know what I see? I see exactly where you're talking about, where it's just that hair off. I mean, you can.
It's
It's hard to notice if you're not really looking
it
like
took
it.
me about 15 tries to get it like that because I would have been like an inch off on the top or the bottom, or I'd be like too short. I was like, come on.
Hey, it looks good though. It really does.
And
Honestly, I didn't
then
even notice it.
and then right here where the hard suction top are, that line way right there.
Yeah.
On the template, it only a little dot for that part, and I was like, I cannot figure out what that is. And yeah, I figure
Yeah,
out.
that's okay. It looks really good.
So yeah, don't be engine 18 we. In the future we are going to upgrade all the video again, but it don't be the basic at the moment.
Yep.
We're going to add more detail to it. And then in the future, the engine 18 we at the window will be bigger. Might see it on the other equipment. I don't know yet. I knew it would only be that short. Like close up and like this, like in third person, it looked time bit big,
Yeah.
but not like far distant. And I was doing step by step in here, then on the game, see how it was, and then going from there. And it took for a good while.
Yeah.
So anyway, when you guys join the Discord, I have it took me only 2 nights to do this engine. Um, I took screenshot on every process when I got done, and yeah.
Yep.
See you next video.
Yep. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.